Hello, I'm Jackson. Today I'm gonna show you about our WiZAVIU smart camera solutions. There are two main type of cameras under WiBase. The first one is the WiZAVIU C10, which is the body-worn camera. The second type of camera is the WiZAVIU D10, which is the Dashcam camera. Both of the cameras are connected to WiZAVIU service platform. Under the platform, there are four main type of services, which the first one is the live video streaming. The second one is e-call, which is push-to-talk and SOS. The third one is location service, like GPS. And the last one is real-time sensor data. All those data can feed to professional fields. And our most common customers are in fields like law enforcement, smart security, eye construction, and fleet management. And those can be benefit in remote collaboration, remote monitoring, higher productivity, and the last one, asset management. If you would like to know more about our smart camera solutions, please view more from our website. Thank you.